When we read or hear the word mastiff, a large-sized, strong dog with a bulky skull comes in our mind. The existence of mastiffs dates back to about 3000 years ago. Because of their strong stature and mature looks, they have been used as war dogs, hunting dogs, guardian dogs, and unfortunately, the fighting dogs. In many countries, people use them legally and illegally for fighting purposes. Mastiffs look like a very aggressive dog breed, but believe it or not, most of the Mastiff breeds are calm and peaceful. The reason behind their aggressive behavior is the way they are raised and trained. Other than some specific countries where they have been used for fighting purpose, they have been used as pet dogs and guardians. Today we are going to list the top 5 Mastiff breeds which are either popular in their origin country or around the world. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. American Mastiff. The American Mastiff is a large-sized powerful dog that is a bit different from the other Mastiff breeds as it has the driest mouth than all the other Mastiffs. Despite its aggressiveness and powerful body, the American Mastiff loves children and is one of the best family dogs. It is among the healthiest and the laziest breeds which tend to be a couch potato, but a daily exercise would be the best to keep them happy and fit. It is said that the American Mastiff is a product of the Anatolian Mastiff and English Mastiff breed. Number 4. Neapolitan Mastiff. The Neapolitan Mastiff is another Mastiff breed from Italy which is the best guardian and the defender of its family. Also known as Italian Molosso, this dog is known as the cousin of Cane Corso. It is a fearless, protective and very powerful dog that prefers to be with its family and is always alert. This intelligent Mastiff breed is a quick learner and can be trained easily. If raising a Neapolitan puppy, it is important to socialize them properly to avoid their aggressiveness towards strangers. Number 3. Bull Mastiff. The Bull Mastiff is a large-sized domestic breed from the United Kingdom which is a product of the English Mastiff and Old English Bulldog. The Bull Mastiffs were used as a state guardians by the Britons in the 1800s. This strong but sensitive Mastiff breed can be trained to become the best family dog. The Bull Mastiffs are natural guardians and they don't need any training to protect their home and owners. They may develop several health issues, so it is important to get them checked by your vet every 6 months. Number 2. Cane Corso. The Cane Corso is a large-sized Italian dog breed, also known as the Italian Mastiff. It was used as a police dog, tracking purposes, guardian and protection. It is a muscular dog and is related to Neapolitan Mastiff. The Cane Corso is less bulky as compared to other Mastiff breeds. It usually comes in 2 basic colors, fawn and black. It is a loving, affectionate and easily trainable dog that loves its owner family, especially the children. Number 1. English Mastiff. At weights up to 230 pounds and heights up to 36 inches at the shoulder, the English Mastiff is distinguished by its enormous size, massive head, short coat in a limited range of colors, and always displaying a black mask. This is a powerful dog with great endurance. The greatest weight ever recorded for a dog, 343 pounds, was that of an English Mastiff from England named Ikema Zurba of La Susa. He stood 37 inches tall at the shoulder and was a full 8 foot 3 inches from the tip of his nose to the tip of his tail. That's a lot of dog. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.